Good morning, everyone. This is Saifullah Inamullah, Year 3, Creative Computing. So today we're going to discuss about the Digital Business Plan Creative Incubator. Our website name is Rianet Hub. So we are a team members of 6. Christian Patrick, Mohammed Tayyib, Basil Mubarak, Omar, Saifullah, me, and Maxine. So regarding this existing problems, many schools, universities, corporate offices have a hard time managing lost and found items efficiently. Old-fashioned systems depend on manual logbooks and physical storage, making it tough to track and return lost belongings. Communication usually happens through emails or social media, which can slow and unreliable, causing delays and raising privacy issues. So we have solutions to the problem. We are creating a messaging-focused platform that includes a lost and found tracking system for places like universities, schools, and corporate. The app will contain messaging system, database, and reduce workload, provide real-time secure messaging system for users to report and communication about lost and found, offers and structured lost and found database with categorized item listing, reduce administrative workload by digitizing lost and found management. So sustainable solution, efficiency and automation, we have, and scalability, privacy and security, eco-friendly approach. Reduces reliance on manual lost and found management, can be adopted by various institutions, including universities, workplace. We have in the privacy security, ensure a safe communication between finders and owners. An eco-friendly approach like reduces the need for physical storage space and paperwork, providing a digital solution. Now, regarding for the target audience, we have a target audience of universities and schools, corporate and offices, libraries and public spaces, transportation hubs and events. Now we are looking for proceeding to the initial design, and this will be handled by Mr. Patrick.
So, this is our initial design of the front end done by me and Max. From the login pages to main menu, which has the messages, lost and found, and the notifications. The lost and found section shows the list of items that will be considered lost, with the items in the second tab being claimed. You can see the descriptions and the locations next to the image of said item. For the messages panel, the first part contains the message list container, where the group chats of both groups and private can be seen. And when you access one of the messages, it will redirect you to the message inner where users are able to communicate. Inside, you can also edit the name of the group and add members as well. The notifications section is connected by both lost and found and messages. Whenever someone posts a lost item or mentions you in the group chat, users will be notified here.
Hello everyone, my name is Basil Mubarak and I am part of the front-end team for our website, which is Reconnect. It is a website that allows users to report unclaimed and claimed items. We chose this as we felt that it tackled a practical problem that occurs in everyday life, which is the issue that people lose their items during school, university, and other institutions. I am responsible for the login page and the notifications page on the website. In the login page, you have several options, as you can see. You can write your username, number, and password. You can also sign in if you already have an account. In the notifications page, you can see if any item has been claimed or unclaimed. This was done with the help of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to ensure a simple and clean layout that is simple for users. We changed how it looks from the initial design in Figma, as we felt that it is easier to handle and looks simpler. Now we will move on to Tayyib's part of the front-end development, who is my teammate in the front-end.
The lost and found section of our website was built using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML was used to structure the page, CSS handled the styling, and JavaScript added interactivity, such as switching between the claimed and unclaimed tabs. Users can add details about a lost item by clicking on the plus button, edit its details, and then save the information. They can also update details of any existing item by clicking on it in the list, choosing the edit option, and saving the changes after making updates. Now, moving on to the messages section, this page has two main tabs. First, the channels tab, where users can chat in groups, and second, the Direct Messages tab, which allows for private, one-on-one conversations between users. This section contains the most front-end JavaScript logic in our application, as it has significantly more functionality than any of the other sections of the website. And now we'll move on to Patrick's part of the front-end development.
Now for the settings section, I am responsible for this one. It's made for users to adjust the brightness based on their preferences. Simply clicking dark mode turns into this page and vice versa. Selecting system will change the website depending on your browser settings. I am also behind the Facebook business page and designs of our material kits, flyers, posters, stickers, business cards, and a functional QR code to promote our website.
Hello guys, my name is Umar Amin. I am the contributor for the backend with my partner, with my colleague Maxine here. So let's move on to it. So for backend, we use did database integration. We used MongoDB Cloud Database because it was much easier to implement, and it didn't require any SQL or didn't require any coding to do. So all I had to do was to sign up and to just integrate it with its URI key and use it in the VS IDE, and that's it. So every time any users input their data or signs up, that user info will be updated to the MongoDB's database, and it will be used for further when the user will sign up. So that same information can match up together. And when someone tags or an update or an alert has been taken place, even that's been recorded separately in the MongoDB database. So let's move on to it on the next slide.
For our database choice, we choose to use MongoDB alongside StreamChat. MongoDB is a NoSQL database that allows us to store data in flexible JSON-like documents. This is ideal for a web app like Reconnect, where data such as user profiles, lost and found items, and notifications can vary in structure and grow over time. It's easy to integrate with Node.js and highly scalable, making it a great fit for a dynamic web platform. We integrated StreamChat as well to handle our real-time messaging functionality. It offers powerful customizable chat features out of the box and securely manages messages, users, and channels, saving a significant development time, ensuring high performance. For our architecture overview, our app follows a full-stack architecture consisting of a React frontend, a Node.js Express backend, and a MongoDB database. When a user interacts with the app, such as submitting a lost item or sending a message, the front-end sends a request to the backend API. The backend processes this request, performs any necessary validation or logic, and interacts with MongoDB to retrieve or update data. For chat-related features, the backend communicates with the StreamChat service, enabling real-time messaging. Data flows back through the backend to the front-end, which updates the UI accordingly. This setup allows for clean separation of responsibilities, secure data flow, and real-time updates for a smooth user experience. For our data models and schemas, we use 3 main data models stored in MongoDB: users, items, and notifications. The users model stores information like ID, name, email, role, and avatar. The items model represents lost and found objects, including fields like title, description, image, status, category, and timestamp. The notification model logs updates or alerts, includes a message, title, creation date, and an optional link to a related item. These models are defined using Mongo schemas with built-in validation to ensure data consistency. This document-based approach allows us to store related information efficiently and retrieve it quickly when needed. For our future improvements, there are several enhancements we plan to make to our database integration. First, we aim to optimize performance by adding indexes on commonly queried fields such as item, status, category, and timestamp to speed up search and filter operations. We're also considering implementing role-based access control more robustly so that specific actions like deleting items or broadcasting notifications are limited to verified admin users. For scalability, we plan to refactor our schemas to support multi-organization support, so that schools or businesses could eventually manage their own lost and found systems within the platform. Finally, we'd like to improve data reliability by integrating backup solutions and error monitoring tools, ensuring consistent uptime and easier recovery in case of failure.
And that's the end of our presentation. Thank you very much.